Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to get a card from Mercury Bank. So, let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new physical or virtual debit card for yourself or your team using Mercury. First, log into your Mercury account via the dashboard or mobile app. Then, navigate to the Cards page. Next, click on Add Card at the top. You'll be prompted to select the card type and choose which team member the card is for. Make sure to select the account from which the funds will be drawn. You can give the card a nickname, like AWS Payments or JoJo's Expense Card. If you leave it blank, the recipient can add their own nickname later. Then decide whether you want a physical card or a virtual card. For physical cards, you will need to confirm the shipping address. Make sure your address is eligible, as some countries have restrictions on card delivery. After that, set a daily or monthly spending limit for the card. If it's a physical card, you'll also set an ATM withdrawal limit. These limits can be adjusted later if needed. Virtual cards can be used immediately after creation, with the card details available on your dashboard. Physical cards usually take 5 to 7 business days to arrive in the US, and up to 10 business days for international addresses. Delivery to a registered agent's address may take a little longer due to handling time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.